Alright, y'all. I'm here at Dollar Tree because I'm about to buy these Bomb Bomb Boom Pops, okay? And these pops right here, these, you get 13 in a bag, right? They're $1 with no tax. 13 in a bag, $1 with no tax. This flavor right here, and you got those ones. Pretty much the same thing as the blow pops, same size and everything, got the gum in them, except they cheaper by 2 cents. So blow pops is usually 10 cents a piece. These come out to be 8 cents a piece. Now you might not think that's a lot, but I'm gonna show you how saving 2 cents on your cost of goods can equal to you saving a lot of money when you start buying these. And most of us have more than one box, so when you're talking about one box of 100 pops from Sam's, I mean, most of us are going to need more than one box. So I'm going to show you how, just by saving 2 cents from shopping at Dollar Tree for these pops, is going to save you a lot of money. So check out the rest of the video. Alright, y'all. So let's finish going over this little quick tip I got for y'all, right? So look, like I was saying, these came from Dollar Tree. Alright? Bomb Bomb Boom Pops, okay? You got the tongue painter pops, and then you got the berry explosion pops. All right, these are all gum pops. Now look, I want y'all to see these. All right, so now in our business, we know that this is a inventory driven business, right? And cost of goods is king, right? Cost of goods can make you or break you. Okay, so these pops are pretty much the same size as our regular Charms blow pop, right? And our Tootsie Pop. Now, I'm not saying stop getting Charms Blow Pops or Tootsie Pops, but I'm always on the lookout for deals, especially when I can get a product that's either just as good or even superior to the product I already got, but cheaper, right? Now, we know at Sam's, Blow Pops, you're going to pay about 10 cents per pop, okay? These, you get 13 in a bag, and yeah, you got to buy more bags of them, but it don't matter. But it comes out to 8 cents per pop, all right? So you're saving 2 cents. Now, you might think, 2 cents. What is 2 cents? Who cares about 2 cents? Well, if you think about buying a $10 box, $10 and some change at Sam's of Blow Pops, that's going to cost you, we just going to round it off to $10 for 100 pops. 100 of these, it's only going to cost you $8. So right off the bat, you're saving $2 a box, right? And look, you get to add some diversity to your boxes, right? You get the tongue painters and you get the berry explosion. So you get to add some diversity to your box, different type of pop that you shouldn't have no problem charging 50 cents or $2 or $3, $4 for, but you're saving $2 per box. Now, think about this. For those of us that have more than 10 boxes, got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 boxes, whatever. If you buy 10 boxes of pops from Sam's, Charms, and I'm not including the Tootsie Pops because those aren't gummy pops. I definitely keep the Tootsie Rolls because some people don't want the gum in the middle. But 10 boxes at Sam's is going to cost you $100, right? And now if you got more than 10 boxes, that 10 boxes, yeah, you're going to need that. Even if you don't have 10 boxes, by going back and continuing to replenish your boxes and service your locations, you're going to go through 10 boxes real quick. So that's $100. 10 box, or the same 10 box equivalent of buying these, right? Yeah, you got to get a bunch of bags, but so what? The same equivalent of that, which it comes out to what, 1,000 pops, is only $80. So you save $20 right there off the bat. You save $20 on 1,000 pops or 10 boxes, $20. Now, what can you do with that $20? At Sam's, with the tax and everything, depending on where you at, you can't even get 2 more boxes of pops. You'll have to add some change or something with your savings, right? You might be able to get 1 box at 10 something and some change, or whatever. You add the extra change, you get 2 more boxes, right? That's 200 more pops. With these coming in at $80, with that 20 extra dollars, not only can you get the 200 more pops, but that only comes in at $16. So now you got $4 left. What's $4 mean? That's nothing, right? Wrong. With that $4, since Dollar Tree's not charging tax, with that $4, you can get 4 more bags of candy, 4 more bags of sucker, 13 in a bag. What'd that come out to? 52 pops, right? So now with the same amount of money, you get 52 extra pops. 52 extra pops. I don't know about you, but that's a good deal. And so in our business, look, man, there's 3 ways we can raise our margins, right? You can buy cheaper. You look for the same or superior product, or you know, something that's equivalent. You get it cheaper, thus increasing your profits, increasing your margin. You can charge more, but in our business, charging more ain't probably really much of an option in this, right? But if you charge more, you can increase your profits, or you can pay the same but get a higher quantity. I don't know how that's going to go either. But if you did that, you would increase your profits and margins. So in this case, the best option is this. You get a product like this that's the same, if not superior, right? And just by driving your cost of goods down by 2 cents, you are able to get 52 extra pops for every 10 boxes that you buy. You know, equivalent. I mean, and you can do the math and figure it out. But basically, for every $10 box you spend, you're saving $2. All right. And for those of us who got a lot of boxes, a lot of locations, go through a lot of pops, that money starts to add up really quick, all from saving 2 cents. And now let me go over here. Got these at Sam's. All right. Now these, the now laters, right? 150 packs. These is coming in at 7 cents cost of goods. All right, 7 cents, man. So now that's an extra penny. Now I'm gonna let y'all do the math on that and look at it. There's 4, I think. I want to say 4. People won't have no problem paying 50 cents or 2 or 3 for the dollar for those. So now you could just put those in a box by taking the pops out and turning this insert over, and then you would just put everything inside of there, right? And that's what I've been doing. I showed you in another one of my videos that I did, that I'm testing these out actually, but they've been doing pretty good. I've been testing them for the last couple months. I just started, so I mean, so far I think I collected 1 or 2 boxes with a minute, but so far so good. But I ain't had no problems. But this is only 7 cent cost of goods, 7 cent cost of good, and not only that, I saved 3 cents per pop, so that's saving me even more money, which means I'm saving. If I'm doing the equivalent of Sam's paying $10 or whatever, I'm saving $3 for every 10 that I spend on blow pops. So you can do that math. But I just wanted to put this out there. Be on the lookout for deals like this. I troll Dollar Tree and places like that all the time looking for stuff like this. And when I found these, man, I was like, oh man, you got to be kidding me. But here's the thing though, you got to get them quick, because Dollar Tree will switch up really fast. All right. Dollar Tree will switch up really fast, guys. They'll have something for a while, and then next thing you know, before you know it, it's gone. If you're wondering why I still got the same thing on as I had another video, that's because I'm doing all this the same day. All right, but yeah, that's my quick tip for the day. Be on the lookout for deals like this. Always keep cost of goods in mind, because that's going to make or break your business. All right, and if you can find something that's just as good or better than, you know, what you're already doing, go ahead and switch it up. Test it out. See what happens. I'm not saying stop doing the blow pop and stuff, but definitely you might want to add this, okay? All right, I'm Eddie. Easy Vending. Peace.